Hello trader, stop. Don't trade today until you see this. I believe this everyone is here. Kindly let me break down the market and let's see the opportunity markets created for us when we are breaking down the market. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know what we do on this platform. We do our daily analysis to see, we break the market down to see the opportunity market created. So, and we take our trade without hesitating. So we take the opportunity market created without hesitating. So if the opportunity miss out, definitely the market has changed. So let's see if the market is still in our favor. For those of you that for my subscriber, I really appreciate. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. For those of you, my video just pop up into your screen. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from this next video we are dropping. Before we move into the chart, you already know what we do. We first go to fundamental analysis. Maybe there is high impact news before we see opportunity market creators. So this is our fundamental news. Let's see, maybe there is high impact news on the pairs we are trading. We are trading JPY, we are trading euro, we are trading GBP and USD, and you can see there is no high impact news on those pairs. So let's just move into the chart and let's see the opportunity the chart has for us. Since there is no news, what does news good does for the market? News created high impact news. After news created high impact news, it give us continuation for the news, but it give us volatility. It gave us volatility. So the volatility means like this one. This is a news what? This is a news effect. That is why it gives us volatility. So since the market is going down, and when the market is slowing, definitely if the news came out, it will sweep the liquidity and continue the downtrend. So that is what what news does. Seriously, that is what news does. So before we go into the chart, let's see what we are having. We already know this is today, also Thursday. We started from what our daily analysis, our daily time frame. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is the demand. This is what sliver, and this is the demand we are expecting the market to hit. And this is what the market is giving us on what inside the swing high and the swing low. And we are having internal break of structure. This is the supply, and this is the FEG market mitigated, which serve as at what liquidity swept. And you can see what the market has done on what on a high time frame. So 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes, which is our analysis time frame. It's just to what to see the opportunity and to see what market is doing. This is what market is doing. This is the key level that pushes the market up. You can see the key level that pushes the market up, and this is the other block we are seeing in the market. So definitely we are expecting the market to come down. And when we see liquidity swept, this is what liquidity swept, market structure shift, market mitigated here, continue the downtrend. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the clear opportunity of the market. You can see this is our what this is our yesterday entry. So market has not triggered us in. So this opportunity is still valid. Seriously, it's still valid because market has not reached the demand key level, the daily key demand key level. That is where we are expecting our buy. So this is that is where we are selling the market to. So this is what the market is doing in the market. This is the key level market just expected. You can see the key level. Markets respected this key level. So let's just be focused and see we are selling the market from here. This is where we are selling market, and you can see market structure shift. This is our market structure shift here on 1 hour time frame. This is what market structure shifts on 1 hour time frame. And this is the last break of structure, and this is our change of character. Market does not give us what any opportunity. Market does not give us any FEG. Market mitigated this FEG. You can see continue downtrend, give us break of structure, mitigate this what demand, continue downtrend. So this is where we are expecting our sell now. So if you are hesitating of the opportunity we took yesterday, of opportunity we saw yesterday, the opportunity is still valid. They just wait for the market and be patient for the market. Seriously. That is all what I can say. So let's move to 30 minutes, which is our analysis time frame again. You can see the 30-minute time frame. It aligns with what? With our with our what? With our opportunity. Only just if we want to, only just what we can do now is just to what? To our stop loss must be what? If we want to shift our stop loss to on 30-minute time frame. If we want our stop loss to be high, so we just say on 1 hour time frame, I think the position is showing 100. So our top front so that market it will be a room, a space room for the market to what to breathe. If you want to continue, if you want to sweat any liquidity over here, but there is no news today. So let's just this is what we are expecting. So I think this is what we are expecting in the market. We are selling the market. So let's move to see gold. Let's see what gold has for us on 15-minute time frame. The, this opportunity align with it. You can see. So let's move to gold. This is gold. This is what gold is giving us, and you can see the gold is going back to the opportunity. This is our demand zone. This is what we are having. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is the what? This is the demand zone. This is the last break of structure to downtrend. Market has mitigated the what? This what? This this opportunity seriously. This demand zone. So definitely we got the patient on this key level. Let's move to 4 hour time frame to see the opportunity market created. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the other block on daily time frame market mitigated, and it gave us liquidity swept, market structure sheet over here. So market is going down, market is going down. So market is a year. So definitely we are expecting another downtrend. Seriously. You can see there is what there's FEG here. This is the key level. This is the key level that's pushing the market up. So definitely let's be expecting downtrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the opportunity very well. This is 1 hour time frame as for me. You can see the 1 hour time frame opportunity. So this is what I'm still expecting the sell on what? On this good, seriously. This is what I'm expecting. Let's move to 30-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time frame. If you want to buy the market, you can just you can just take the opportunity from here if you want to buy the market, seriously. If you want to buy the market, this is the way we can take the opportunity. On 30-minute time frame, this is where we can take the opportunity. So buyer are there. This is the other block, and this is where we can take the opportunity if you want to buy. So this is what is happening now. These are our entry for buy. These are what take profits for buy, and these are stop trade for buy. So this is what we are having on good. So let's just take this opportunity as opportunity. So let's go back to sliver. Let's see if we can see a buy on sliver also. This is sliver also. If we want to take this opportunity is valid for us. This is where we can take our out, our buy on sliver also. So I think this opportunity is very valid for us. Let's just entry. We are buying the market before we are selling the market. Seriously, we are buying the market into this zone before we can sell the market down. So definitely let's be expecting the buy. Let's see our entry. These are our entry now on sliver, and these are our take profits on sliver, and these are our what stop trade on sliver. So let us be patient and be focused for the market to trigger us in. So don't be rushed. Let me just use my I know I'm using this competition of profile funded next account to trade now because I'm on drawdown on my capital on my life account, which I'm just guiding myself to what to fund my account now, seriously. So let's me place this opportunity, seriously. The opportunity is valid. The opportunity is valid. So let's see what market has for us on what on US 30. This is US 30. This is from daily time frame. This is the swing high market is giving us, and this is the swing low. All this one will serve as liquidity for me. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time. This is the last FEG market gave us on 4 hour time frame. You can see the FEG. This is what we are having on FEG on 4 hour time frame, and you can see this is what break of, let's say liquidity sweat and now change of character. So market is coming back to this FEG to set the market. So we are still anticipating for the sell. Seriously, I'm still anticipating for the sell. Let's just let's just wait. I'm still anticipating for the sell. Seriously, let's see what the market. This is a liquidity place, so let's see what the market is doing. So I'm still anticipating for the sell on what on US 30 on 30-minute time frame is the same thing, on which on 50-minute time frame also is the same thing. So let us be patient. Patience is the key to success. So without patience, so let's see what we are having on what on GU. So our what our video is not going to be long today because we are just redefining the opportunity we saw on the market yesterday. So let's just take this opportunity. Don't let it get take granted. So the buy on what the buy on gold and the buy on silver. Let's just take it. So 193 is good than to be taking any other trade. So on this one is not a valid zone because it does not retraced very well. So I will rather wait for the market to continue the buy before we can sell the market. Let's move to PAMS EUG. You can see market eat us out, and this is the sell that's what that give this is the buy. We plotted this buy on GU. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is our demand, and this break of structure. This is what market is giving us, and you can see market is in this zone. So let's just be focused on this zone. This is the supply. Let's be focused on this supply. Let's see if the market can touch this supply back before we can see anything. So this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is forward time. This is the opportunity we saw on Monday that we are buying. But yesterday since the 4 hours time frame, this is the man, this is the last break of structure. On Tuesday, we said we are selling the market. While yesterday, when we saw break of structure, we thought the market is still going down, but market does not go down. Which market was break this what turn it to breaker block and what and continue uptrend. So this is what the market does yesterday. It break it with breaker block and continue the uptrend. All what we just need now. This is what the market is doing now. So this is what the market is doing now. So this is the last break of structure of the market, and this is what we are having here. You can see. So we are buying the market from here again. Don't let us ban it. You see, as I said, we did not predict the market. We react to what my market gave us. Market gave us sell yesterday, and unfortunately, market changed the direction and give us bullish. So this bullish, we are taking it from here into this supply zone again. This bullish, we are taking it from there and into this supply zone again. So this is all what I can see on daily time frame because this is the supply zone that give us this break of structure. Seriously. So let's just be patient. Seriously. I've said it as we saw a liquidity swept here, but unfortunately, market market has changed direction. So we are taking another buy from here. This is where we are taking the buy. Let me write out the coordinate out. This is our entry. These are take profit. Yeah. And this is our stop trade. So we are buying the market. This is we are buying into that zone again. So definitely let's just be patient and see the opportunity. Seriously. Let's move to EU. That is what we am seeing. If we move to 30-minute time frame, you can see this is the opportunity I'm seeing. If you move to 50-minute time frame, this is the opportunity market is giving us. So be patient enough. So Rusty, this market is going to buy on this is what the market is giving us, and it's going to buy. That is so that let us be patient. Let's move to EU. This is EU also. EU has triggered us out. So this is what EU is giving us also, is giving us the vibe of uptrend. So from daily time frame, this is the last break of structure. And don't forget we are having FEG here. So let's see if the market want to and what to respect that FEG before we can see a continuation of downtrend again. Seriously. And this FEG is serve as what other block. Let's say other block also on daily time frame, because you can see the internal break of structure there. This is the internal break of structure, and this is the supply of this break of structure in internal the swing high and the swing low. So let's just market is down trade though. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is what 4 hour time frame is giving us. Market is still coming back into this 4 hours time frame supply zone. If market does not respect this, definitely is coming back to this demand supply demand order block. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure market gave us. And you can see market respected this opportunity here. So all what market is doing now is just what this is the last break of structure market gave us, and you can see this is the opportunity market gave us also. Because this is the last break of structure, and this is what market is doing now. You can see what market is doing now. This is change of character market, and this is the break of structure. So we are still buying into that zone again. So let's just be patient. This is the other block market gave us here. Let's see this other block, if this other block is still valid for us. So I'm buying the market from there. So we are buying the market from here. No, no, don't into that zone again, into that supply zone again, because market is inside that key level. So we guys be patient for the market enough. But what I'm seeing now, this is the last break of structure market gave us, and this is what the market is doing. You can see there's key level here. So let's buy the market, since the market is giving us option into this zone again. So let's see what this zone is going to decide. Maybe the buyer are still in that zone, or the seller wants to take over, or maybe the buyer wants to take over, or the seller are still in that zone. So that is why we are buying into that zone again, seriously. Because between what is happening here, the buyer and the seller are fighting for the market. So let's see who get the momentum let's see who get the momentum in the trading. So whoever get the momentum, so we are joining them also. This is our entry. This is our take profit, and this is our stop trade. So this is what market is giving us, 1:2. So let's just be patient and see what the market is going to do for us. So let's move to US 30. Let's see. I said US 30 GU. Let's see what's happening on GU. This is what is happening on UJ. I'm sorry, UJ. Market is still giving us five of uptrend on UJ as for me. And I'm still expecting from daily time frame. This is what market is doing. Market is still giving us uptrend fives. So let us be patient. But on daily time frame, I'm seeing FEG here. Let me just see the FEG very well before I can say we are. This is a break of structure. You can see this is a FEG for me. So this is what the market is giving us now. So we are buying from this daily FEG before we can what? Before we can do anything. As for me, into this one again, you can see this place has turned to what? Hey, it has turned to resistance because market has touches. This is the first touch and this is the second touch. It has turned to resistance. So let us be patient. Wow, this is resistance market. This is resistance market. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the FEG of daily time frame. So you guys be patient, seriously. But our stop loss is going to large. Let's put our stop loss over here. Into, and what? So we are buying the market into this one again. Seriously, we are still buying the market into that zone again. And let's see what the market is trying to give us. Seriously, let's see what the market. This is 4 hour time frame. This is sort of liquidity because there's FEG there. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is giving us the vibe of what downtrend, but we guys be patient on this. This trend downtrend is valid because market is going to that demand FEG. Seriously, let me write out the coordinates out. These are entry. These are what take profit. Why this is our stop trade. So this is what I'm saying. I'm still seeing buy on what on UJ. But market is giving us uptrend. So let's move to GJ. Let's see what GJ is giving us. You can see GJ took us out 70. The market is still valid on uptrend from daily time frame. You can see market has broken in. So this uptrend is valid. Sorry for that. This is the FEG market gave us. So let's just find the recent opportunity to take the trade seriously. On, on 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing on 4 hour time frame. So what I'm expecting now, we are expecting a buy from here. We are expecting a buy from that opportunity. This is where we are expecting a buy now. This is the other block market gave us. And this is the last break of structure because this is the last break of structure market gave us on what? On 4 hour time frame. So that is why we say the buyer are still in what? Are still in control. The buyer are still in control. So we are buying the market from here. Seriously, the buyer are strong in this market. So let's just be patient. You can see how the market is just going without retracing 50%. It's just going without retracing 50%. I think let's share 1:2 or 1:3. 1:2 is okay because we don't know next key level. Let's check on daily time frame. Maybe we can see the next key level. Maybe the key level is near. Seriously, the key level is not near. So let's just take 1:3 or 1:2. You can see on 1 hour time frame, you can see how the market is just going. So let's wait for this 4 hour opportunity. So this 4 hour opportunity is the best because it's what is higher time frame. It's our analysis time frame. This is our entry. If you see markets retracing like that, if you see markets going up, retracing without 50%, definitely the what the buyer are in the market. They are ready to push the market to any key level. So let's just take this opportunity and what reading time. Let's just take this opportunity and what and what and these are yep. So our stop loss. This is it. The stop trade. Sorry. So let's see crypto. Let's see what BTC and Ethereum is doing for us. Maybe they will give us opportunity. So this is what the market is doing. You can see on 1 hour time frame there's liquidity here. Seriously, there's liquidity here. Let's see 30-minute time frame. So there's all this one are liquidity. So definitely market is going to sweep this liquidity and continue the uptrend. So let's just all what I can say there, we are the opportunity we are seeing on the market today. Let's just be patient, be focused, and let's just keep the belief that no matter what is happening in the market is going to favor us. Definitely, I really believe that. But no matter what we are going through now, definitely is going to favor us. No matter what, if we are making loss, I'm making loss generally, but I believe that one with this year, this second half of this year is our year, and we are going to succeed. We are going to make it in life. We are going to succeed we are going to be profitable and successful in this trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Just keep the belief, just keep the faith in God. So definitely we are up. We are up soon. We are up soon. Seriously. This is our swing high, this is our swing low, this is our supply. On 4 hour time frame, this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. This is what I've said. This is a liquidity. So you can see market has triggered us in on what on 1 hour time frame. So if you are still on this trade, just be patient and take this trade. You can see the last. So just be patient and take this trade. So let's move to 30-minute time frame. If you can see the opportunity to join the market, there's no opportunity to join the market on 30-minute time frame. This is what I can see. This is a liquidity swept. This is market structure shift. So let's see if the market can come to this FEG. So as for now, let's see on 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is a liquidity sweep. So market is coming back to this opportunity and continue the uptrend. So for those of you that are in BTC already, kindly don't forget to use proper risk management. And let me just take the nearest key level to take our profits before. But I know that market is going up. This is the key level of the market, and this is the next key level. So we are taking our opportunity this key level. So if you are on this trade, be patient, don't be eager for the loss. So definitely let's go to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum is giving us. Ethereum too has took us out and went in our favor. You can see what Ethereum does. Ethereum does. It took us out and went in our favor. From daily time frame, this is our swing high, this is our swing low, this is our supply. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. Market is giving us uptrend. This is the FEG. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is the demand we are expecting the market to mitigate it, but market mitigated it and took us out. This is a liquidity straight market, seriously. And this is what this is an market structure shift. And this is the other block I'm seeing because it gives us FEG. So this is what we are having. So this is what we are having. This is our take profit. and this is our stop trade. Don't forget proper risk management is is the key. So thanks, I really appreciate. Today is going to be our day. We are going to be successful and profitable in this trading journey and in other skills we are doing. Fit and love, have a successful and have a profitable day ahead. Just keep the belief. Seriously, this second half of this year is our year, and we are going to succeed. We are going to make it. No matter what the condition, those at the top they face the challenges. We too we are facing our challenges. So there's nobody can carry your cross. Only just carry your cross by yourself and be what believe in it. You believe in what you are carrying and have faith in what you are carrying. Peace and love. Have a successful day. Have a successful day of your week. Have a beautiful week ahead and have a profitable day ahead. Thanks, peace and love. But if you want more updates, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from this video. Thanks.